On today's episode, I'm riveting on the aluminum cab corner.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the corner. This ain't a persona.
What is up, everybody? Welcome to episode number 107 of Inside the Body Shop. Hope you guys are having a great Tuesday so far. Today, it's a little shorter episode today. Reason being, I was only at the shop for half a day. I had a iCar welding certification test I had to do today. Now, iCar, for those of you that don't know, iCar is the industry standard for the welding certifications within the auto collision industry. Now, there's 4 different welding certifications you can get through iCar. There's your traditional steel welding certification that's been around for a long time, as well as the aluminum welding certification. Then they came out with a while back, probably about 10 years ago, I think it's changed a little bit since then, they came out with a structural welding test where you actually do a frame rail section. They have a mocked up frame rail. Actually, I think it's older than that because this came out when I was still in school, so I think this is about 13 years ago. A frame rail section, you actually section a few different joints and do a bunch of different things on that. And then I did all 3 of those last year. You have to renew them every so many years. I think they're good for 4 or 5 years. I can't remember which one it is. It's 4 or 5 years they're good for, but I did those 3 last year, recertified in all 3 of those. Then today I had the silicone bronze welding test. This is the first time I've done this one. Actually real simple, it went really quick, but that took about the second half of my day. So that's why this episode's shorter than normal. But today on this episode, trying to remember where I'm at. On this episode, I had the aluminum cab corner from yesterday's episode. If you missed the first half of this, it's a 2016 F150. I'm putting a cab corner section on. It's the aluminum one, so it's a little different than the procedure on most of your cars and trucks you see, being that these are aluminum trucks. So I actually went ahead and I rivet bonded this cab corner on today. It's ready to weld. I have to weld my seams in the morning. But that's pretty much, I had to go ahead and fit all my doors and all the sheet metal and get everything lining up with this cab corner correctly. But that was my day today. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you do, click that share button. I greatly appreciate it. So thank you guys. And I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Check out my day. All right, I got this one all fit together. I got the rear door lining up with the cab corner. The front door's fitting. I'm gonna have to do a little work on the fender still. It's giving me trouble with that edge, but that's adjustable, so I'm not worried about that. But you always want to adjust from the back forward because none of this is movable, and this is the part that I'm replacing. So I'm adjusting off of that and then working forward. But everything's fitting good, and I'm going to go ahead and get this cab corner, get my holes drilled for the blind rivets and get it prepped out and get it put on there. All right, I got this cab corner riveted on. I still have to weld my seams, but I have to go and take a iCar welding test here shortly, so that's gonna be it here today. This test will take probably about the rest of the day, so I'll get back on this one tomorrow.